Recording. Welcome back, ladies and gents, to another fun episode of 80s retro cocktails at home. Today we're making for you a tequila sunrise. I'm gonna get straight into this one because these cocktails are easy and I know a lot of people want them quickly. So, super easy drink to make, very, very easy, very easy, very, very, very easy. Tequila sunrise. So, first of all, you need a tall glass and you're gonna fill that full of ice. Boom, just like that. Next, tequila. Now we need a large measure of this in there. So you can use, well, you can put as much as you want in really, but it's about 50 mils. Next up, you're gonna top this up with orange juice. Just top it up slowly and wait until you get almost to the top. Shkablam. And to finish off, we need grenadine. So this isn't actually grenadine, this is raspberry and strawberry cordial. I've just added more sugar to make it more syrupy and a little bit of red berry powder to make it a bit red. And then you just want to just pour this on gently. I'm going to use this spoon to let it just drop into the drink. We'll put ourselves a nice red straw in there. You don't want to disturb that redness at the bottom. And of course, this is 80s retro cocktails, so we need to have some retro goodness. Cocktail umbrella. Tequila sunrise. Easy as that. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you like this video. If you do, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe and all that. Yeah, you get the idea.